Well, hey, what's up, guys? I know exactly what you're thinking right now. Man, I wish they had just one really great video explaining the standard enthalpy of formation. Nah, sorry guys, you're out of luck. You're just gonna have to make do with this one. This is the video you're looking for, and you're already watching it. So let's get on with it. Alright, the standard enthalpy of formation. So, what is it? That's such a good question that we're just gonna go ahead and give you the answer right away. The standard enthalpy of formation of a substance is a number that describes the exact amount of energy needed to form that substance from pure elements. Did you get that? Here, let me say it again. From pure elements. Whoa! That went a lot faster than I thought it would. Alright then guys, see you next time! Come on, of course we're not done yet. I mean, we still want to know what we can do with this number in the first place and where we can find it. The standard enthalpy of formation is really useful for determining the enthalpy of reaction. So when two substances react with each other and you want to know what's going on in terms of energy, you're gonna need to know the standard enthalpies of formation. The symbol for this kind of enthalpy is a funny looking one. It's the Greek letter delta followed by a capital H with a subscript F and a superscript circled minus sign. The H stands for enthalpy, the F for formation, and the circled minus sign just means that everything's happening under standard conditions. Alright, so where do we find the values for the standard enthalpies of particular substances? Good news, they've got tables for that. So we don't have to do any math, just look up the substance in a table and you're done. But let's go ahead and check out an example. We're going to be looking at a very sophisticated molecule, that'd be water. To get water, we need two, count 'em, different substances. Some pure hydrogen, then some pure oxygen. To form the compound we call water from these two substances, the table says we're gonna need 286 kilojoules per molecule of energy. Really, all you've got to do is read it off a table. Here's a list of some examples. What? Hydrogen has a value of 0? Well, yeah, that actually makes sense. Remember, we said that the standard enthalpy of formation is the energy needed to form a substance from pure chemical substances. And since hydrogen is already a pure substance, we don't need any energy because we don't have to do anything with it. And that's pretty much the gist of it. So let's see what we learned. The standard enthalpy of formation of a substance describes the amount of energy needed to form that substance from pure substances. It's really useful for determining the enthalpy of reaction. And you can find the values for various substances just by looking them up in a table. Sweet! That's it! We're done! But lucky for you guys, there's more! We'll see you in the next video! Later!